Hayes Twister full race torque converters are designed for quick, hard launches and give you time-killing ETs. The main feature of our full race series is the installation of a custom anti-balloon plate designed to stop torque converter ballooning. These converters will support up to 1,000 horsepower. If you're using a trans brake, nitrous, supercharger, or turbos, these torque converters have your name on them. Built in the USA, each torque converter is hand-built and inspected at every step of the assembly process. All Hayes torque converters are internally welded, not brazed, to ensure long converter life launch after launch. They are built, tested, and proven utilizing a state-of-the-art spray welding process to provide strong, consistent welds to the hub assembly so it can handle the extreme environments of racing. Torrenting bearings are used for strength and durability, while stators incorporate high-flow vents and channels to further promote cooling. Turbine fins are internally welded to provide longer converter life, while also enhancing consistency versus standard brazed fins. Hayes full race torque converters are offered in several different stall speeds for popular GM, Ford, and Chrysler transmissions. Hayes full race torque converters are designed to handle the extreme shock and abuse of trans brakes, nitrous oxide, superchargers, and turbochargers. Selecting the correct stall depends on your race engine and vehicle combination. Make sure to select the correct stall for maximum performance. We also offer an online torque converter selector sheet for you to complete, or any of our tech support team can help you with stall speed selection to accommodate any mixture of modifications you have added, such as camshaft, lower rear gear ratio, cylinder heads, or power adder. Get quick and consistent launches with a Hayes Twister full race torque converter. Thanks for watching. Hayes Performance driveline products are available anywhere Holley products are sold. For more information, please visit our website at holley.com.